This morning on Today Wellness, it's National Parks Week starting today. That means admission is free at our national parks.
But interestingly, it's also Park RX Day. And you might not know it, but your doctor can actually write you a prescription to get some outdoor time in nature. Dr. Stacy Beller Stryer is here to talk about the health benefits. Doctor, it's a pleasure to see you. Good morning.
Good to have you with us. So we've all heard parents telling us to go play outside, but now it's doctors too. Even if it's just 15, 20 minutes a day, what are some of the physical health benefits to being in nature?
That's a great question. There are actually a lot of physical benefits to being in nature, and it's been shown in many studies. In adults, we've seen a reduced hypertension and risk of stroke, lower heart rate, and risk of heart disease. We've seen improvement in diabetic symptoms in those with diabetes and better glucose control. In children in particular, there's a decreased risk of obesity and becoming overweight, and an improvement actually in cancer-fighting cells in our immune system just from being outside once.
And doctor, let's be clear. I mean, we have all been through a lot with a global pandemic, rising inflation costs, and a war in Ukraine. I mean, it can be hard to really keep our spirits up. So how does being outside actually help our mental health?
Well, I think during the pandemic, we all recognized how important being outside in nature is for our mental health. And again, there are numerous studies that have shown benefits, including decrease in anxiety and symptoms of depression. You can actually measure this with cortisol levels in our body, which is a measure of stress. We've seen an increase in sense of well-being and suppression of negative thoughts from being outside. Our sleep is better, we have increased energy, and just better connectedness with others and with the environment. It's important for people of all ages to spend time outside regularly.
So let's talk about this Park RX Day. It's not just a great marketing idea. Your doctor can actually prescribe going to a park or into nature. Tell us more about that.
Absolutely. It's really important for healthcare providers to be aware of the benefits of nature and to prescribe nature for their patients. And every script is individualized based on where they live and what their problem is. It also holds both the doctor and the patient accountable. So you need to fill your prescription, and the doctor will put this in their electronic medical record so that when you follow up with them, you can actually talk to them about whether it worked or not, and the prescription can be tweaked to benefit you.
Now, doctor, a lot of people may not live exactly close to a national park. So what are some good examples of outdoor spaces that we should consider using?
Sure. If you don't live close to a national park, really any green space would work. It might be a local park. It could be a walking trail near you. It could even be your backyard or a bird feeder near you. You don't need to go to a national park, although that would be lovely too.
That would be lovely. I will spend the rest of this Saturday outside. Thanks to you, Dr. Beller Stryer. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.